come in. Grab a seat. Alright, how's it going? My name's Lawrence, I'll be a physio. How can I help you today? Hey Lawrence, I just wanted to check the health of my back, so I went to get a scan and it says I've got osteoarthritis in my back. I don't have any pain, so do I need to have surgery or what's going to happen? Osteoarthritis is a degeneration of the joint space between your bones. So what that means is pretty much you start off with this much joint space, now you have this much joint space. Not that much difference, and it's usually not significant. If you're not getting pain with arthritis, that's a good thing. It doesn't necessarily correlate with pain. You do not need surgery for osteoarthritis. What you can do, and the best thing for you to do, is start to train your body to handle the new loads. So your joint space will decrease with time, with wear and tear. It's a normal part of aging, but you can slow down the progress by training the muscles of your body to be able to handle those loads so it doesn't go through your joint space. And the best way to do that is with exercise. So you've got arthritis or osteoarthritis, start a bit of exercise. There are a bunch of workouts on this page. Pick one of them and get started.